Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin number 1, followed by Ethereum, XRP, Solana, BNB, Dogecoin, and then we end it with Cardano. And number 10, let's get straight into it. Bitcoin against USD. So here we are for Bitcoin. So far, today, the candlestick is developing into something of a shooting star, right? Earlier in the day, right, it rose up. And now it's coming back down. So, yo, bro, this is becoming a shooting star. A shooting star is a bearish reversal chart pattern. However, if you switch up to the weekly, it still looks good. I think there's still buying pressure. If anything, potentially this could be a small dip that comes on for BTC. Where could we dip down to? My assumption is probably around 97,000, right? Towards this noisy area. If you zoom into the smaller time frames, you'll be able to tell that this is quite congested, right? This area is quite congested. So I would assume sub 97 could be 96,000. Yeah, if it does drop lower. But again, it is just not confirmed yet. We don't know whether this is going to be a shooting star. There's only 5 hours since the day started. So we still have another 19 hours more to go. We'll see how it turns out tomorrow. If it turns into a shooting star, then yeah, more likely than not, we are dropping lower. Ethereum against BTC. Here we are for Ethereum. We are still forming lower highs. Oh, sadly, lower highs. Look at this, lower highs. Lower FBTC has been teasing us with a potential break higher, but we keep getting lower highs. Look at this. It's still in a bearish trend. If anything, yeah, we're still anticipating these lows to be taken out for FBTC. Could we take out these lows and these ones as well? Yeah, sure, of course. But as it stands, we are still in a bearish trend, so we will remain with our bearish bias for FBTC. F against USD, we are at 4,000, almost taking out these highs, but we have not yet. So could we just take it out and we come back down, right? Yes, no? Not too sure ourselves, but F doesn't really look that strong. And if and when the bearish trend, if the bullish trend starts reversing into a bearish one, then yeah, we're expecting it to take out at least these lows, right? We're probably gonna clear this as well. So yeah, expect big moves towards the downside if and when the bearish trend starts for Ethereum. XRP against BTC. XRP is good in that it has a very strong spike up, but I suspect we're coming back down for a consolidation, which is great. Again, this is the noisy areas to be looking out for. Hopefully, we stay above the skinny pink line though. Drop to the first noisy area, start reversing, right? And if that happens, then this whole thing could turn into a very big AB, CD, E. And XRP could go much higher, much higher, right? So we could break the skinny pink line once and for all. And after that, we start mooning. But anyway, there'll be significant resistance. But as it stands, yeah, we are probably in a consolidation. Okay, Solana BTC is not good because Solana BTC has crossed the skinny pink line on the daily. We're already in a potential bearish trend for Sol BTC. So I suspect that Sol BTC is heading towards this particular noisy area. We're probably gonna clear these clusters of cells here. So you gotta have to watch out for this. Right, Sol is just weak when it comes to comparing against BTC. So yeah, we are moving into a bearish trend. When it was already touching the skinny pink line, we were like, maybe we could spike up a little bit, clear everything before dropping, but it seems to me like we're already dropping. So yeah, this could result in big moves towards the downside. We're probably gonna stop here for a while, rally back up towards the skinny pink line, maybe. After that, we continue lower, right? Noisy areas here. And again, here. After that, I suspect we'll be taking out these clusters of cells. So as it stands, I suspect Sol BTC is really in bearish territory. Sol against USD, we made an all-time high, a new all-time high. But again, if you count the waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, very likely towards the end. The end is not too far away. So you want to be very careful being in Sol meme coins, right? You probably should have proper trading techniques like a stop loss, just in case things go wrong. And as it stands, Sol has potential to go higher. Right? But if BTC falls, Sol is going to fall even more. So you want to be very, very careful about rushing into anything for Solana. BNB against BTC. We are expecting lower lows. So yeah, BNB is finding resistance at this noisy area. BNB against USDT. We are forming new all-time highs. Is this sustainable? I don't know, bro. This is very weak towards the upside. So I will preach caution. As it stands, our target still stands 1240 and 1565 as it stands. Dogecoin, Josh against BTC. Here we are for Dogecoin. Dogecoin is already above the resistance line. We're coming back down towards the support. Resistance once broken becomes support. So will the support hold or will we drop much, much lower? Again, noisy areas here and here. So we are looking out for a potential, if you do drop here, then I would expect a rally at these areas. So hopefully the support holds for DOGE BTC. Against USD, DOGE is, let me see, higher high. Suspect this is an ending fifth wave though. Yeah, doesn't look good to me. If you pull a support line across, this is a left shoulder, head. This is a head and shoulders potential. Bearish reversal and we drop lower. So yeah, DOGE doesn't really look that good to me. Not at the moment. This whole thing could become very big, very big A, up for a B, coming down for a C. Right. So you want to be very, very careful about rushing into a trade for Dogecoin. Of course, we would expect $1 one fine day, but as it stands, we're very overbought. So yeah, I don't really feel good about DOGE. ADA against BTC. Here we are for ADA. Cardano is above the skinny pink line, which is great. One of the very few coins that is still in a bullish trend against BTC. True strength is against BTC. So for ADA against BTC, we're already above the skinny pink line. It's great, which means that potentially this is a new trend change. ADA could be already turning pretty bullish against BTC. But we are in a potential consolidation. Do we do something like this? Drop back under the skinny pink line before heading back up? Yes, sure, of course. But as it stands, yeah, we'll see how it behaves first though. The price action. If you could just hang out above the skinny pink line, best case scenario. But as it stands, yeah, we'll have to wait and see what happens for ADA BTC. But being strong against BTC is good. ADA against USD, here we are. So for ADA, hopefully it drops a little bit lower. Again, to this noisy area. 75 cents. Again, taking out the classes of cells here. You see this? Something like a hammer. It's not a hammer, but something like a hammer. So probably the lows here. That's my guess. Best guess. So yeah, again, we're not too sure what's happening over here. We don't have any complete bearish reversal or bullish continuation yet. We could turn into a falling channel, still continue bullishly. We could turn into a symmetrical, continue bullishly. We could turn into ascendings as well. Sure. But as it stands, yeah, we don't know yet. So we're gonna have to give the whales of ADA more time to do their thing. Alright, boys and girls, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Stay safe. Ta-da.